Welcome and thanks for joining us. I'm Lauren Barnes. Brad Jennings' civil suit continues in a Springfield federal courtroom today. That's where Color 10's Bailey Stroll is. Bailey, we'll get to you just in 1 minute. We want to let you know that we brought you all of it, from his original murder conviction and his wife's 2006 death to the evidence that freed him in 2018 and now his own lawsuit against the Missouri State Highway Patrol. Color 10's Bailey Stroll has been sitting in for day 2 of this trial. And Bailey, I understand that we were expecting opening statements. Have those happened yet?
Yes, opening statements have officially been given from both sides. That means the plaintiff attorneys for Brad Jennings as well as defense attorneys for Highway Patrol Sergeant Dan Nash. Those were heard by the 9 jurors in this federal courtroom this morning. Now, as for the plaintiff's opening statements, attorneys argued again that Sergeant Dan Nash deliberately withheld gunshot residue test results of Jennings' robe, the one he was wearing the night his wife died. The attorney also claims Jennings has since suffered significant financial problems from being in prison for nearly a decade, as well as suffering from depression and PTSD. Meanwhile, the defense's opening statements claimed mostly that Nash isn't solely responsible for the gunshot residue results not being released to prosecutors, with Nash's attorney saying, quote, "It was a group effort by multiple people in the Highway Patrol." Now, the first witness called to the stand today was Lindsay Phoenix, former attorney for Jennings, who is the one who discovered that there were gunshot residue tests done on Jennings' clothing and the results were never released. Now, she says she cried when she finally realized that these results were going to be released to her. Now, she has been cross-examined by Nash's defense team, and we are expecting several more witnesses to take the stand today and be heard. We will have more on that throughout the rest of the week, and of course,